Welcome to ShortView Trading, your morning market hit for Thursday, 17th of December. What matters today for traders? Well, bullishness abounds, and that continued yesterday with the market unperturbed by the outcome of the Fed announcement and its press conference. Yes, there was a bit of disappointment and some expected an extension of the bond buying program in terms of its duration, but in reality, Powell was super dovish, very supportive of the economic recovery, very supportive of continued loose policy and keeping financial conditions super loose. Of course, that is code really for keeping the equity market up, the high yield bond spreads tight and other rates under control without any spikes in terms of funding rates and funding costs. So very dovish statement and press conference from the Fed, with that very much adding to bullishness in markets. And we saw that across a range of asset classes. The Russell 2000 making a new intraday high once again. In fact, this index has almost doubled now from its lows on March 23rd and is also meaningfully above its 2018 highs and its highs at the start of this year pre-pandemic. Bullishness is very much evident in the Russell 2000, but it's not just there. You can see it in the DAX, starting to break out from a 6-month trading range. You can see that in the chart in front of you now. The S&P, of course, knocking on the door of its intraday highs at the time of us recording this video, with those intraday highs at 37.12. But also on top of that, oil super strong in December, up 7% or so already, having been up nearly 30% in November. It's continued its bullishness in December. Copper's the same. Other European equity markets also trying to break out. So that bullishness abounds and the number of new highs itself is breaking out to the upside. And with that, our models encouragingly are supporting the idea that there's more to go for in this Santa rally. So we remain positive. Santa's in town and we think he's here to stay. For a full analysis of our 1 to 2 week views, please see today's daily rag, available to subscribers via the website. So what are we watching today? Well, lots of bits and pieces of macro data out, particularly in the US, with weekly jobless claims, housing starts and permits. Of course, the strength of the housing market is critical to where this economy goes. Added to which, we've got the Philly Fed survey as well out of the States, whilst over in the UK, it's the Bank of England pronouncing on its monetary policy following on from the Fed yesterday. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Thursday, 17th of December. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube. Simply search under ShortView Trading or follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and or Twitter. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.